All right, welcome back again, learners. In this video, I'll be taking you through the trigonometric functions. Um, let's try to go through it. Consider the function y is equal to 2 tan x. Make a neat sketch of y equal to 2 tan x from 0 to 360 on the axis provided in the diagram sheet. Clearly indicate on your sketch the intercept with the axis and the asymptotes. Right, so let me try to sketch it since we have this. Okay, I think my drawing is not that. Okay, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. Put 1 here, put minus 1 here. So this one will be 45 degrees, 135 degrees, 225 degrees. Here would be 315 degrees. I'm using the scale of 45. Okay, so remember tan never asymptote in 90 degrees. So this is the asymptote that I'm going to have. And it also have asymptote at 2 what? At 270. Okay, then I press the calculator. Tan 45, it's 1. Tan 135 is negative. Tan 180, it's 0. 225, it's 1. 315 is 0, it's negative, and this is what we're having. So if we were to sketch it, the graph will look like this. And then the graph will look like this. The graph will look like this. All right. Those are the intercepts and also the asymptote. That's how you sketch this graph of y equal to, oh, it's 2. Right. I think I made a mistake. Tan x. So which means that here is going to be, let's look at this. This is going to be 2. This is going to be minus 2. That is the difference here. That is the difference actually. All right, that's how you sketch this graph. If that graph is reflected about y-axis, or rather x-axis, did this in grade 9, question 6.1.2. That was 6.1.1. So reflection about x-axis, where there is y, you put minus. You put minus where there is y, so it's going to be y is equal to minus 2 tan x. All right. Now we are good on that one. So the next question, 6.2, there is a graph which is drawn. Determine the value of A. Okay. The value of A is this one. How do you find the value of A? You first check from the amplitude. You see, from the amplitude, from 0 and then going up there, it's 4. You check from 0 coming to this one is negative 4. So, which means that the value of A is what? It's 4. You check the same distance from where the graph starts. It's the value of A. Normally others, they said it's amplitude, but it's the number which is written here. It's this 4 here. Sometimes it shifts, so that's what I'm saying you should check. If the graph is translated 2 units upwards and obtain the new graph, write down the range. Okay, so the graph, now it's y is equal to 4 sine x. So upwards 2 units, you're going to add 2 here. So, which means that your range, instead of being it 4, is going to be 6. So minimum is going to be minus 2. less or equal to y less or equal to 6. Okay, so remember, when you add -2 and 6, they should give you what? -2 and 6, they should give you 4. Those are the units that oh, okay. Yes. So they should, when you add 2 and 6, they should give you 8, and divide by 2 and give you that 4, which is the value of 8 that we're having. All right, thank you guys. That is the graph of written trigonometric function.